sorry, my battery died on my vacuum. I did not realize that it was not charged overnight, and I figured you would want to see how nasty it is when you like dump out all of the sickness that's in here. So figured you would want to see this too. All right, get ready for nasty. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my God, that's so gross. Oh. Ew. That is disgusting. Ew. So yes, if you are looking for a real mess and an extreme disaster cleanup, that's what you're getting in today's video, because this house is a hot mess after the weekend that we just had. So hope you get lots of cleaning motivation, decluttering motivation today as you watch. And this video is also a collaboration with two of my best girlfriends, Myka Stauffer and Tiffany Beaston. I love them so much, and I know you will too. So if you are not already following them, I will have links to their videos in my description box, and I would love for you to go watch their videos, say hi to them in the comments, let them know that I sent you, get that extra cleaning and decluttering motivation, because they're doing some extreme disaster cleaning motivation, decluttering videos for you today too. Tiffany is a mama from Pennsylvania. She has 2 little boys and a little girl, and they are so sweet. And she's just like family goals and does really good meal planning videos over on her channel as well. And my girlfriend Myka is also an Ohio mama. She just lives down in Columbus, and she just had her 5th little one. Talk about super mom. But I just get so much inspiration from Myka. She actually started a lot of the KonMari videos here on YouTube, and just inspired me to do that with my home, and allowed me to have just more peace of mind and less stress, and being a little bit more minimal and decluttering around here. So check out Myka. She is also goals. You will love her. And if Tiffany or Myka sent you here, thanks so much for stopping by. Again, my name is Brianna, and you can follow me on Instagram. I'm at Bits of Bri over there. We actually are going to be on a really exciting like dream vacation we have been dreaming of for 5 years. I'm not kidding you. We've talked about doing this trip since I was pregnant with my first baby, Landon, and I have a little girl named Presley. But you can follow along on Instagram so you can see all of our vacation. But when I'm at home, I love cleaning and decluttering and doing KonMaris of different spaces or closets, just to kind of ease the stress in my mind, because I've dealt with a lot of anxiety over the last year because we lost my dad on Father's Day, and just cleaning and organizing and making sure that my home is as good of an environment as it could be for my family is really, really important to me. And I love helping you achieve that goal, if you have it as well, of making your space as nice as it possibly can be. But I hope you subscribe, click the thumbs up if you get some motivation from this video, and let's keep rolling and cleaning up this extreme disaster hot mess of a house that I've got going on. I'm about to tackle that hot mess of a desk in our kitchen in a second, but I wanted to show you guys first. I got this catalog in the mail. It's by Grandin Road, and they have the cutest like dining stuff for a Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos, like table setting, and that's what I did in the kids' room for fall. I'm like already thinking ahead to fall decorating because everyone's asking like, are you gonna do a video? And there was one other thing I saw in here. Let me find it. Oh, here it is. Look at this black and white buffalo check pumpkin. I'm like obsessed with that. That's so cute. And then look at this little ghost pillow. Landon was actually looking at this and he was like, Mommy, that is so cute. And I'm like, that is so freaking adorable. It has like little pom-poms on the outside of it. I love it. But get ready because there will be a fall decorate with me video coming up on my channel. So many of you have been asking, it's coming. And not coming like right away, like probably early September it will be coming.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now. Baby, we should start living for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
And this is just lovely. I think Presley must have decided to color on the carpet because honestly, Landon knows never to do that. And I guess Presley is going to have to learn that lesson too. And I let this set for about 5 minutes, and now I'm just going to take my towel and scrub this.
I've been walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade in. The days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. 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 I don't check my phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and there's no replacing. What we had is gone and it's all too late. And I'm better off, but I can't deal with this aching. The days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. No, I can't. No, I can't. 'Cause I'm still in love. If I could run with you, and from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better, so take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh. Whatever we would do, we do it just for fun. You only get so many trips around the sun. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better, so take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word.
I just wanted to pop on fast before I finish vacuuming and say thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to go check out Tiffany and Myka's videos. I'll have them linked down below. Show them lots of love in the comments, and I hope that you subscribe and check out some of my other videos if you're looking for cleaning motivation or decor inspiration on my channel today. I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.